Okay, I decided to do a part two. There is a part one, so you might want to watch the part one first. I decided to do more elements. I did put the two-part resin, and as you can see, the nice sheen that it gives to it. I really like those results. And I used my fan brush, and I did a design on the back, and I just used just clear nail polish. I just wanted a thin coat. I didn't want it really thick because the main design is in the front, and I didn't want to take away from that. But I also use these pinch belt clips, which is very easy to attach to an earring. They're very thick. I'll put the link in the description. It gives it a very professional look. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. And I put the posts on the back of that, and just a thin coat of clear nail polish. You probably can find this in the dollar store as well. And you won't have to use triple thick or duo clear, because I think that's a little thick. And I just want a little thin coat just to give it a little sheen of finish to the earrings. Okay. And that looks pretty good. And this is how it looks with the post. Okay. And I put the post on this one as well. I put a big one because, you know, it's a heavy earring. So, and like I didn't put the nail polish on the back, the clear nail polish on the back, I'll go in and do that. And as you can see, it's just a thin coat, very thin coat. And I like the results of this. And yeah, I like the results of how this came out. Okay. All right. Well, I do thank you for watching. This is part two. Don't forget there is a part one. If you like this video, please subscribe. And I do appreciate all the subscriptions that I have been getting. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.